Good morning all. So the previous video we have studied the derivations of a damped harmonic oscillator, case 1, case 2 and case 3 we have covered. And today we will discuss about the quality factor or Q factor or Q value of an oscillator or a damped harmonic oscillator. Okay, so Q factor or the quality factor quality factor quality factor Q factor Q value of a damped harmonic oscillator. Okay, the quality factor or Q factor can be defined as the measure of ability of a system to produce a large number of oscillations before coming to rest. Okay, it's a measure of ability of a system to produce a large number of oscillations before coming to rest. Okay, so a high quality oscillator having small damping, and this quality factor is a dimensionless quantity. The quality factor measures the rate of decay of energy of a damped harmonic oscillator. The quality factor measures the quality factor measures the rate of decay of energy of a damped harmonic oscillator. So the quality factor measures the rate of decay of energy of a damped harmonic oscillator. Okay, so for an undamped simple harmonic oscillator, the total energy, that is kinetic plus potential energy, is given by, so what was the equation for that you have studied in plus 2 classes? E is equal to half m omega 0 square a square. Okay, so we will write that for an undamped simple harmonic oscillator. Okay, for an undamped simple harmonic oscillator, the total energy that is kinetic plus potential is given by E is equal to half m omega 0 square a square. Okay, so that is for an undamped simple harmonic oscillator. That is our simple harmonic oscillator. The total energy, that is a kinetic energy plus potential energy, is given by E is equal to half m omega 0 square a square. In the case of damped oscillations, the work done against the retarding or resistive force is not stored as its potential energy. So when a particle oscillates, its total energy goes on decreasing. So the amplitude of the damped oscillation is given by, what was the equation? The amplitude of the damped oscillation is given by what was the equation? A is equal to A0 e raised to minus kt. A is equal to A0 e raised to minus kt. So that we have studied in the previous video. Okay. And omega 0 is replaced by omega, that was square root of omega 0 square minus k square. So omega 0 is replaced by square root of omega 0 square minus k square in the case of damped oscillation. So omega 0 is replaced by square root of omega 0 square minus k square, that is equal to omega. Okay, so omega 0 was for simple harmonic motion and it is replaced by omega 0 square minus k square, that is k factor, the damping factor will come here, and so this is our new angular frequency for damped oscillations. Okay, so we can substitute this omega value and a value here, and we can calculate what the energy of the total energy of a damped harmonic oscillator. So the total energy of a damped harmonic oscillator what will be that? E is equal to half m for instead of omega 0 we have omega square, for instead of a we have a0 e raised to minus kt, a0 e raised to minus kt the whole square. So we get half m omega 0 square a0 square e raised to minus 2 kt. Okay, so this half m omega 0 square a0 square we can take it as e0. So this equation become e0 e raised to minus 2 kt. So this is equation number 1. E is equal to e0 e raised to minus 2 kt. Okay, so we are substituting a value for t. So when t is equal to 1 by 2k, so t is equal to 1 by 2k, when t is equal to 1 by 2k, so what will happen? E become, what will happen? E become e0 into e raised to minus 1, right? Minus 2k into t. So t is equal to 1 by 2k. So is equal to e0 by e. So the time t is equal to 1 by 2k. So what was the value of 2k? So we put 2k for b by m is equal to 2k. Right, you can find it in the second video. B by m is equal to 2k. First and second video you can find it. So that means here we can write 1 by 2k. So m by b. m by b, where b is the damping constant, and m is the mass of the oscillator. M is the mass of the oscillator. P is the damping constant and m mass of the oscillator. Okay, so that is at t is equal to 1 by 2k. So time t is equal to 1 by 2k, the energy of the oscillator decreases from E0 to E0 by E. Okay, so during this time t is equal to 1 by 2k, the oscillator will have vibrated through an angle theta. So for example, in the case of a simple harmonic oscillator, so if this is theta, so it is moving towards the equilibrium position. So during this time t is equal to 1 by 2k, the energy changes from E0 to E0 by E. So during this time the oscillator will have vibrated through an angle theta. Okay, so during this time, that is t is equal to 1 by 2k, the oscillator will have vibrated through an angle theta. Angle theta. Okay, so theta, what will be theta here? So how we can find the theta here? Yes, here we have time here, and we have the angular frequency here. So for the damped oscillation, so what will be theta? Theta will be omega t. Yes, omega t. So where omega is the angular frequency and time t. Okay, so theta is equal to omega t. So what is time t here? M by b. So omega m by b. So this is our equation number 2. Theta is equal to omega t, that is equal to m omega by b. Its unit will be radian. Radians. Okay. So theta is equal to omega m by b. Okay. The quantity omega m by b gives the quality factor or Q value. So the quantity omega m by b is equal to Q gives the quality factor. Or Q value of this damped harmonic oscillator. This quality factor Q is defined as the angle in radians through which the damped harmonic oscillator oscillates as its energy decays to E0 by E from E0. Okay, so the quality factor is defined as the angle in radians, okay, through which the damped oscillator oscillate as its energy decays to E0 by E from E0. So the quality factor is defined as the angle through which the damped oscillator oscillates as the energy decays to E0 by E from E0. Okay, so there is another part of this section, so that we will discuss in the next section. Okay, so please write it down, the notes. Okay, we will see in the next section. Okay, so in the previous section we have discussed the quality factor, how to resolve the quality factor by defining the theta value. Okay, so now we are going to describe an equation for quality factor from the power dissipation. So the energy of a damped harmonic oscillator according to equation 2 is the energy of a damped harmonic oscillator according to equation 1 is, what was that equation? E is equal to E0 e raised to minus 2 kT. E is equal to E0 e raised to minus 2 kT. Okay. So now we are going to find the power dissipation. So power dissipation, if we know the energy, the rate of loss of energy with the time is called the power dissipation. So the power dissipation so the power dissipation P is equal to rate of loss of total energy with the time. So we can write it as cell loss, so minus dE by dt, and is given by P is equal to minus dE by dt. So we need to differentiate this equation. So what will be the differential of this equation? Minus into minus 2k E0 e raised to minus 2 kT. Right. So we can write 2k E0 e raised to minus 2kt is equal to 2ke, right. So here we can write dE is equal to minus dE by dt is equal to 2ke, right. So minus dE is equal to 2ke dt, 2ke dt, minus d is equal to 2ke dt. So what is 2k? 2k is equal to b by m. So we can write b by m into e into dt. So minus d is equal to b by m e into dt. Okay, so if dt is equal to, if dt is equal to t, that is the time period of the oscillator, the time period of the oscillator, so we can write dt is equal to t is equal to 2 pi by omega. Dt is equal to capital T, that is the time period of the oscillator. So we can write dt is equal to t is equal to capital T is equal to 2 pi by omega. So if we apply that, so this become det. The loss of energy during the time of one time period, or the loss of energy during one cycle, can be written as the loss of energy during the time of one time period, or loss of energy during one cycle, can be written as, yes, det minus de capital T is equal to b by m into e into t, e into capital T. So what is t there? 2 pi by omega. So it will be become b by m into e into 2 pi by omega. Okay, so the loss of energy during the time of one time period, or loss of energy during one cycle, can be written as de capital T, that is one time period, is equal to, that is a loss of energy minus det, okay, is equal to b by m et. So for time period t we can substitute 2 pi by omega, so b by m e into 2 pi by omega. So from here we can get the quality factor, that is, what was that, omega m by b, omega m by b. So what will be that, omega m by b, okay, omega m by b is equal to, what will be that, omega m by b, omega m by b is equal to 2 pi into E divided by DET. DET. 2 pi into E divided minus 2 pi into E divided by EDT. So this is, we can call it as the quality factor, right? Yeah, from equation number 2, Q is equal to omega m by b 2 pi E by DET. So what is this one? It's equal to 2 pi into energy of the oscillator, right? Or energy stored in the oscillator, energy of the oscillator divided by energy loss per period, or energy loss per period. Okay, so Q is equal to 2 pi E by minus 2 pi E by DET. So quantitatively we can written as 2 pi times energy of the oscillator divided by energy loss per cycle or period. Okay, so here we will take some space here. So we know the value of omega. Omega is equal to square root of omega 0 square minus k square. In the case of low damping, that is for high quality factor, that means low damping, that k will be very less than omega 0. Okay, so the k term can be neglected, so this will become omega become omega 0. So in the case of high quality factor, that is low damping. So in the case of high quality factor, there will be low damping, so k will be very less than omega 0. So k square term can be neglected, so omega become omega 0. Okay, so then here what will be the theta value? Yeah, the quality factor Q become theta value omega t, right? Omega t, sorry, become omega 0 t equal to omega 0 m by b, omega 0 m by b. So which can also be written as what is omega 0? M by b into square root of c by m, right? So this is for high quality factor, that means for low damping the quality factor become m by b into square root of c by m. Okay, so this will be a constant because all the values are constant because omega is equal to omega 0 is equal to a constant. So quality factor also will be a constant. That is, for large quality factor has little or no effect on the frequency. Okay, this is all about the quality factor. Please watch the video from beginning to end and write down the notes in your notebook. And if you have any question, you can ask me during the online classes. Okay, so see you in the next video. Yeah, thank you for watching.